Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. I want to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for these How to Make Crafty Vision segment videos. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Creation Designs. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a pair of earrings using this trim that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Now, if y'all follow me, y'all know that I actually on one of my shorts, I showed y'all some of this trim or ribbon, if you want to call it, that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99. You get 30 pieces, and each piece is 1 yard, okay? And I'm going to show y'all how to make a cute pair of dangle tassel earrings today. This video is beginners friendly. So before I get started, please make sure that you thumbs up the video and you share it out, because sharing is caring, okay? Sharing is caring. All right, y'all. So I cut 2.5 inches of my trim, 2 pieces, 2.5 inches. I am also using this cord kit that I purchased from Amazon.com. And the size I'm using is 10 millimeter, okay? If you get this kit, this kit actually comes in, this is gold. So it comes in gold, silver, and rose gold, if I'm not mistaken, okay? It was not, I'm not going to say, I'm thinking maybe this kit was maybe $18 or $19, but it's well worth the money. And this is the wire that I'm using. It's the artistic wire. All right. You will need, of course, your scissors to cut your fabric. You're going to need a glue gun to start it. You're going to also need these pliers, your round nose pliers, your wire cutters, and your flat nose. Flat nose, round nose, wire cutter. You're going to need a dowel, 1/2 inch. So this is 1/2 inch thick. You can find these at Walmart. I got this from Walmart. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this started. So the very first thing you want to do, of course, is cut your tassels out 2.5 inches. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually roll mine, because I don't want, because you got 2 different sides. You have a side that has this, and you have a side that has this. But I don't really want this to show. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and put a little right there of my glue and fold it over and hold it over like that. Okay, take this part off, and I'm going to do that on both of my pieces. Like that. Fold it over and hold it over. All right, just like that. Okay, so I got 2 pieces done, rolled over. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take and roll it over just like this. Okay. Now it probably will shed just a tad bit, only because you cut it. All right, see where I'm going at with that? And you just keep rolling it. Okay. And keep rolling it. until you get to the end. When you get to the end of it, see, then you take your glue gun, you come right here, put a little glue, and then you continue to roll it like that until it's done. And then you have your little tassel. And you can use this if you don't want to make earrings. You can also make these to use to hang on your jewelry, your bracelets. You can make it to hang on your necklaces, however you choose to do. All right, see where I'm going at with this? And this is all you do. And this is definitely beginners friendly, y'all. For those of you making and creating things for your very first time, you get this trim. And they have, if I'm not mistaken, they have trim like this, not just with these colors, but I believe they have it in different colors. And that's all you do. You just continue to roll it until you get to the end like that. Okay. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. All right, so that's your tassel. So you have two of them. The one thing about this is once you cut it, you don't have to worry about one being bigger than the other because they're both the same size. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to come here and you're just going to put some glue. You're going to roll it just like this on the inside. And then you're going to take your tassel and slide it right on in there like that. Okay? And that's going to hold it in place. It ain't going nowhere, okay? We're going to do this one the same exact way. Put some glue on the inside all the way around. Okay? And then take the tassel and pop it right on in, just like that. It's in there. It's in there. And there you have it. There are your cute little tassels. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you cut your 20 gauge wire 2.5 inches long. You also want to make sure that you foul the top of your pieces with some sandpaper. Make sure you sand it down, okay? Now what we're going to do next is we're going to just take our dowel, which is 1/2 inch, and we're going to come here and make our nose. So you want to bend it just like that to make your nose. And then you're going to take and come down on the very end of your pliers. Put it at the end and bring it all the way around, just like that. Okay. That's what you should have. And then all you do is open this up and you can slide that right through that hole and close it up. And you have yourself a cute dangle. All right. These are really cute. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to come here to the end and make a little dip. And there you have your earring. All right, so that's one. And you're going to do the same thing for this one. Come down to the bottom. Wrap it all the way around. Okay. Take it off. Open it. Slide your tassel on and close it up. And then you come here and you make your boop. Just that simple. And you got yourself a gorgeous pair of tassel earrings. Very inexpensive, and they dangle. And the reason why I made the nose, the fish hooks, so big, and you can actually bring it in if you want to close it in a little bit. You can also put, if you feel like you need to, you can put some caps on it, okay? As a matter of fact, put caps on it to make sure that it stays in your ear. But it should stay in your ear anyway, because the proper way to wear these, when you put it in your ear, is you really supposed to squeeze it together to hold it in. All right. But you can also, like I said, you can also put some caps on it once you put it down in your ear if you are afraid of losing your earring. But these are cute. All right, simple, and anybody can make these. You can sell these earrings. You can do whatever you choose. So with that being said, please make sure you thumbs up this video, like, and share it out. And don't forget that sharing is caring, okay? When you share, you care, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for watching. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.